Okay, Earth Trine, this is Idam Astrology bringing you your analysis, your reading through the Norman Pack for May 2023. And I'm just shuffling here to give us a heads up. And the first card we have here is Dog, followed by Rider. Then we have Clouds. That is the past. Present, Coffin, Tree, and Bouquet. Just went through a trine with nearly the same. Garden, Lady, and Stork. So, what does this tell us? It tells us that a good friend has brought news to us, but there are still some things that are hidden. You know, this loyal friend has our back, and someone around is bringing news, but there is still things that had been hidden from us, and our loyal friend will be there to assist us, to guide us, to help us. In the present, the coffin tells us that there's a finality about our growth, about what we want in terms of blessings, but there's a finality in this healing. We are going to finally probably get healing and blessings from whatever was hidden from us so that we can move on. This is what these cards are telling me, that things have been hidden. We have been getting documents, news, visitors, persons have been telling us all kinds of things, probably only half the truth and not the full truth, but we have a loyal friend who has been with us throughout, through thick and thin, as they say. And the blessings, the spirituality, the growth, the healing, or health, there's going to be a finality to that through what probably Bhagwan or God is bringing for us. And then we have the garden, the lady, and the stork. And the garden speaks about social network, a group, your life, your social life. So there's going to be some lady who is probably going to pull you out of this place that you have been in. There's probably a lady who is going to shed light on the clouds, because we have that knighted here. The lady is probably also that faithful friend that is bringing, blessings to us, who is bringing good news to us. And this talk is telling us new, fresh start beginnings. That is in our future. So whatever we had that was hidden in the past, it's going to come to bear to finality, but we're going to get blessings. We are going to get spiritual healing. There's a finality to what is in the past to us. The present, at this time in May, it is going to bring us blessings. It is going to bring us healing. This growth and this spirituality is probably what you're looking forward for. And then your social life, your faithful friend, new beginnings, new opportunities, early or fresh start, as they say. All of that is in your future. And these new beginnings is going to come through from news, from an arrival of documents, messages, or some messenger. This new beginning is going to come from this. This new beginnings is going to tell you that something has to end. Something has to end for you to get these new beginnings. And the social life is going to be a blessing for you. It is going to bring you gifts and happiness. So your social life is going to improve. You're probably not going to be that isolated and that loner anymore. These are what the cards are telling me for you, Earth Trine. And recall, Earth Trine, you are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So May 2023 is telling you things are looking up for you, Earth Trine. Things are really looking up. The horizon looks good. There might be a little, few things that have to end. They have to end for you to move forward. So take a heads up, understand what is going on here. Let us see. Oh dear, and let me just retrieve that card. And that card is secrets revealed. The clouds there, secrets revealed. Earth Trine, it's telling you that, things, what was hidden from you, it's going to come up, Queen of Sheba, secrets revealed. It's not going to be hidden from you for long. This is what is happening here. Let us see what the Bhagavad Gita is trying to tell us. And, let us understand what we are doing with our life. Let us understand that these cards just give us a heads up. And remember, Tarot, Earth Trine, I align with. And then we have here encouragement. And encouragement speaks to, let not the wise disturb the minds of the ignorant who are attached to fruitive work. They should not be discouraged from working, but encouraged to work with the spirit of devotion. So, it's simply telling you, don't let the little things set you back. Don't let the little things destroy what you know when secrets are revealed. Don't let those little things keep you back from understanding that new beginnings are here for you. The opportunities, the fresh start, the loyal friend is here for you. The finality of certain things when secret reveals, that's small. It's not going to affect you too long. Do your work with devotion. This is the encouragement that Bhagwan is giving you. Do your work with devotion, and whatever is yours, karma will give it to you. We are in a period, most of us are in a period with Saturn, Shani, and I always tell you, Shani delays, he doesn't deny. And this is what is happening here to me, I think, because Earth Trine, Capricorn is Shani, Lord Saturn, and Capricorn, tells you that you have to work hard. You don't get things easy. But it's going to be a blessing. It's going to be a blessing for you. New beginnings, your loyal friend, your social life is going to improve, but something will end. Whatever it is will end. Is not going to have a dire impact or a negative impact on your future. And this is what the cards are saying, for you, Earth Trine, for May 2023.